Hello, boys and girls. For today's writing lesson, we will be drafting our opinion writing piece. Our objectives for today is the student will know how to develop drafts into a focused, structured, and coherent writing piece. The student will understand how to complete a graphic organizer to prepare for writing an opinion paragraph, and the student will be able to narrate, describe, and explain with increasing specificity their opinion to draft a coherent writing piece. Let's review the writing process. So in the writing process, we remember from yesterday's lesson that we have 5 steps. We have pre-writing or planning. We have writing, which is drafting, revising, editing, and then publishing. So yesterday we did our pre-writing / planning. Today we're going to be writing / drafting. Now, if you remember, yesterday you guys completed a brainstorming chart. For today's lesson, you're going to need to pull that out. If you wrote it in a tablet or if you were able to print that page and you wrote on top of that one, go ahead and pull that out because you're going to need it for today's lesson. Okay, so today you're going to wrap up your planning stage of your opinion piece, and then we're going to just shift our focus to the drafting. We will be using activity 11.8. Take a minute and look at the graphic organizer. Today you're going to be using words and phrases from that brainstorming plan from yesterday to now write complete sentences into the draft. The first thing that you're going to write in your draft is your topic sentence right here. Again, if you're able to print this out, go right ahead and print it out. Or if you would like to just write in your tablet, you can just draw this chart on a piece of paper and write on that. And this graphic organizer is in your folder for today. You could also type on it. So inside each box, I have placed a text box and you are able to type on it. Just make sure you make a copy first and then put your name on it, and it is your copy to type on. Now, who can tell me what a topic sentence is? That's right. A topic sentence is the first sentence in your paragraph that tells the reader the main idea that the writer is going to write about. In an opinion paragraph, this sentence includes you, the writer's opinion about your topic. In this case, the topic sentence will state your opinion about the chosen theme and your chosen character. For example, a topic sentence for this opinion paragraph could be, I think Mo is the best example of theme of friendship in the story. Now, what do you think would be a good topic sentence for your opinion paragraph? After you have written your topic sentence, you're going to choose the three best reasons from your brainstorming chart from yesterday that you created to support your opinion. You need to include at least, if you look here, you see 3 reasons. Yes, can you write more? Of course. But the minimum is 3 reasons. For example, a reason that supports their topic sentence may be, Mo is a good friend because he's always willing to help others. For each reason, you will have to supply an example, such as Mo offers to pack up the picnic basket after he and Red have lunch. Make sure you remember that these reasons and examples should be written in chronological order as they relate to the plot. Make sure to use linking words between the different reasons and examples, such as then, as, because, also, for example, and such as. Sometimes you will be able to combine your reason and your example into one sentence like this. Mo is a good friend because he is always willing to help others, such as when he offers to pack the picnic lunch. So, in that sentence example, you have the reason and you also have the example. As you write these sentences in the middle 6 rectangles, make sure to use capital letters to begin your sentences and don't forget your punctuation marks at the end. Now let's look down at this last box that says concluding sentence. Can anybody tell me what a concluding sentence is? I'll pause the video and just think. What is a concluding sentence? The last sentence in the paragraph that basically wraps up your writing. In other words, you restate your topic sentence in another way. So let's take a look at my example from yesterday. I've added a little bit more to it. So for today, you're going to try to think of a good topic for your writing piece. And since I went with the theme hospitality, I chose The Generous Toad as my title. So think of a good title for your opinion piece. Now here's my topic sentence. Remember, we just talked about the topic sentence that within it, you need to state your opinion. In my opinion, Toad's character is a perfect example of the theme hospitality. After we write our topic sentence, we need our reasons. Reason number 1, in chapter 3, Toad invited Rat and Mo to join the caravan. Reason number 2, I think he is a great example of hospitality, is because he offered to make dinner for others. Now, those were reasons. You also have to have an example to support your reasons. He said to them, "This is the very finest cart of its sorts. Come inside and take a look." This is an example for this reason. I said that he asked them to join the caravan. Here he is. He's telling them, "Come on, I got the finest for you. Come on in and take a look." And then lastly, my conclusion. Oops, sorry. Can't see it. Won't go away. There we go. Conclusion sentence. Remember, I said that your conclusion sentence basically restates your opinion, but in a different way. You don't want to say the exact same thing at the end. So this is how I changed mine up. I said, in my opinion, the character Toad uses dialogue and his action to demonstrate the theme of hospitality. See how it's pretty much saying the same thing as my topic sentence, but I kind of changed it up a little bit. All right, we're going to watch a video about Oreo, or opinion writing.
Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about Oreo writing. You're going to learn how to write about your opinion using Oreo writing. Our learning goal today is I can write my opinion using reasons and examples to explain. The Oreo process starts with O, your opinion. Next comes R, which stands for reasons. E, which stands for evidence or examples. And the last O is your opinion again. This is how you write an opinion sentence. You're going to start with these words. I prefer, I think, I feel, I believe, in my opinion, the best thing about, the greatest or worst part about, everyone should, blank is better than, or if you like blank, then you will love. Here's a sample opinion. I believe that all students should wear uniforms. Now you have to move on to your reasons. Some great ways to start off your reasons are, I feel this way because, I think this is true because, one reason I feel this way is, the reason I believe this to be true is, or the reason you should blank is because, here's an example of a reason. Our opinion was, I believe that all students should wear uniforms. Our reason is because I feel this way because it makes all students equal. Now, we've given our opinion, we've given our reason for our opinion. Now we have to give our examples that explain our reason. In your examples, you're going to explain your idea in more detail. You're going to give an example of what your reason might look like. Give the reader of your writing some evidence for why they should agree with you. Tell a story or give an example of a situation that backs up your reason. So let's go back to our sample opinion. Remember, the opinion was, I believe that all students should wear uniforms. Our reason for that was because I feel this way because it makes all students equal. Now my evidence or my example would be, if everyone's clothes look the same, then no one will be made fun of. Also, students will be able to focus more on their work than on the fashion of their classmates. In this example, I used lots of detail and I used 2 pieces of evidence or examples. Finally, we're going to go back to that last O and restate our opinion. Once you've given your reasons and your evidence, restate your opinion. Be sure to not change your opinion. Keep your opinion the same. Just restate it. Use different words. Now we're going to do a sample of our restated opinion. I'll remind you that our opinion from the beginning was, I believe that all students should wear uniforms. Now hop down to our last opinion. It says, in my opinion, every student should wear uniforms to school. Now that's not the exact thing I said up at the top, but it means the exact same thing. I still have the same opinion. Alright, I want to remind you one more time of the Oreo process. We always start with our opinion, then we move on to our reasons, then we provide our examples, and finally we go back to our opinion again and restate it using different words. Okay, kids, our learning goal today was, I can write my opinion using reasons and examples to explain. You also learned how to restate your opinion. So if you had trouble learning that, go back and watch this video again so you can achieve your learning goal.
All right, boys and girls, that is the end of our writing lesson for today. Do not forget to keep up with your graphic organizers and your planning for today, because we will continue to build and to revise. Again, we're going to go through the writing process. So make sure you keep up with your writing pieces.